In this video, we're going to explain the properties of small covalent molecules. A small covalent molecule is just a few atoms big. So for example, this is a molecule of water. It consists of 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom. There are 2 properties of small covalent molecules you need to be aware of. They don't conduct electricity, and that is because in a small molecule there are no delocalized electrons or free ions to carry a charge. If there's nothing to carry a charge, that substance can't conduct electricity. Before we can look at the second property, we need to look at the forces which hold small molecules together. This diagram here represents 4 small molecules. These could be 4 molecules of oxygen, nitrogen, chlorine, fluorine, for example. The small molecules are held together by intermolecular forces. There are covalent bonds between the different atoms in multiple small molecules. But the small molecules themselves are held together by intermolecular forces of attraction. When we boil or melt a substance, it is the intermolecular forces which are broken, not the covalent bonds. So if this substance was going to be boiled, all the molecules would remain intact, but the forces between the different molecules would be overcome. Small covalent molecules have low boiling points. This means that they're gases at room temperature. This is because the intermolecular forces between the different molecules are weak. If the intermolecular forces are weak, it means it doesn't take a lot of energy to overcome those forces. If not a lot of energy is needed to overcome them, a low temperature is needed to boil them, which is why they have low boiling points and are usually gases at room temperature. We're now going to look at the trend in boiling points. If we look at group 7, for example, as we go from fluorine to chlorine to bromine to iodine, the molecules get bigger. As the molecules get bigger, the intermolecular forces get stronger. If the intermolecular forces are stronger, it means more energy is needed to overcome the forces of attraction, so the boiling points will increase. All of these molecules still have low boiling points compared to substances such as metals, for example, but the boiling points get higher as you go down. For example, fluorine and chlorine are both gases at room temperature, bromine is a liquid, and iodine is a solid, showing how the melting and boiling points increase as you go down the group as the molecules get bigger.